This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome to the Mod Hub Light Lessons channel. In this video, we will be learning how to modify BiApps subscription checks and get the SOCGOAL predictions application free. We shall drop all used tools and application links in the description of the video and in the comment section of the video. Remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment mod request or anything you need in Android app modifications. This application is fully locked and it required subscription to subscribe to the odd 4 half-time, full-time, and correct score sections as you see, but don't worry, we will get it free all. Step 1. Open MT Manager and extract application. In this video, I will use anti-split to convert APKs to APK, but also you can use the MT Manager Lifetime VIP. I have dropped its link in the description video, and for anti-split too. After converting the APKs to APK, we shall first remove the pair-up license check that brings Google Play Store redirect. So follow my steps. Well, tap the navigation key on the top. The eye-like structure, then scroll down and tap on Service. Connected, open it. Change the if-kes to if-nes and save. Now I already downloaded the .jar file. We will replace in the application, but the download link will be dropped in the description and comment section. In MT Manager one side, open the APK file, head to Assets folder, then copy the .jar file into the Application Assessed folder. Do you need sure fixed free tips and VIP winning tips? Visit this site here, www.hassanpremiumtips.com, and get best tips and odds.